You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Yeah, guys, it is terrible outside. I'm getting my husband's lunch together. Let me show y'all. So, I got the sausage going over here. I got the ground beef thawing out over here. I have already made his coffee, for the morning. And guys, over here, I am just setting up, the Tupperware, to pack his lunch. So yeah, guys, this is what I was telling you. I get up in the morning, I make the coffee. I try to figure out what I'm gonna make my husband for breakfast and for, lunch, the family. And then I be having stuff to do in this house every day, guys. But it's cold outside, so I'm really like in the house. So yesterday we sprayed our hair with aloe vera juice and water. Remember I told you half a cup of aloe vera juice, a whole cup of water, and we put it in a spray bottle. Now, this is, how my hair looks underneath the bonnet. And what I did recognize, guys, on my self-care days, what I did recognize, because I was going to wash my hair yesterday, but I didn't. I fell asleep in the tub. With this aloe vera and water, I would not use this to, wake up my hair and spritz my hair if I'm going outside, because this makes my curls too tight. Okay, I'm not trying to have my curls tight like that. But if I'm in the house like I am today, guys, I am going to be doing a lot of stuff. Treating my cabinets, doing my floors, treating the stainless steel, taking down curtains, washing them, vacuuming out the air vents that's in the ceiling. I'm just going to be getting in, down in this house today because it's cold. So since it's cold, and I ain't going nowhere, yeah. This is what strengthened my hair up in the weak spots. This is what made the sparse areas in my hair thicker and made my hair feel strong. And so, yeah. So I got that on. If I want, I could put my bonnet back on or just let it air dry. So right now I'm just going to let it air dry. And we finna get to finishing this house. And guys, I will be breaking down my front room today. I think I want to switch it around, but when I switched it around this time, I really like the way it looks. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So guys, basically, this is my routine every morning, and I can work like all day in this house, but that should not be the case. I figured out that the reason why I didn't like going to the health club early in the morning is because I have to do a lot of this early in the morning. So I have separated all my workout clothes. They are set up and ready to go, and I start preparing stuff at night to make it easier for the morning. So guys, time is flying. I am packing up his lunch. And yeah, this is a everyday thing. Okay, so that's packed. So guys, yeah, so I get up in the morning and that is my routine. And like I said, I can start figuring out how I can make it better at night. You know, all the food is cooked, the chicken, the spaghetti, the sausages, the lunch is packed. So now I am just going to finish cleaning up the house and do some of the things I said I want to do today. I really am still waiting for my packages to come. They have not come. They say one is going to be here by 11. I hope that is the case. It's not, because it's past 11 already. So I really want to take y'all to the store with me so y'all can get y'all moisturizer that is really good for your skin, and I'm gonna start using that all over my body, and no one would ever know that this was where you can get this from. All right, my husband made it back from the grocery store, and that's just me washing off the groceries and putting them away. And although we did not go to the gym today, we still like within minutes of being late of what we have to do. So, wiping off these groceries, and like I said, so if I hadn't never took the time to say, okay, girl, you know you'd be in a rush in the morning. If you like going to the health club with him, then how can you make it better? So, you know, I started cooking. He went to the store to get the rest of the ingredients, and now I'm putting up the groceries. All the food is ready, lunch and dinner. Wiping off the groceries. I got other things I want to do, other places I have to go. I have to get a filter, you know, some filters for the furnace. I have to, so every day is busy. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Every day is busy, but it's getting better because, you know, I'm looking at what is filling my time. How can I make it better? And this is every day. This is every day. So because we know what our schedule is looking like tomorrow, we're not going to go tomorrow either. And I know I already showed y'all in a different video my pop substitute. These are good. They don't have no sugar in it, but they taste really good. Zivia, it has no sugar, and I love them. They come in different flavors, but this black cherry, I love it, guys. I love it. So it looks like this. This is black cherry, and look at all those zeros on the back of there. Now I'm just showing y'all what I do. See all them zeros? They don't have any sugar in it or any of that. Total fat 0, sodium 0, total carbohydrates 0, all that. So now I showed you guys what I do in the morning, and this is part of what I do, but recognizing that I shouldn't have to do this every day, it has made it better. So I have cut my time in half. Like I told you, I have my outfits to go work out already pre-folded up together. I make the dinners and his lunches like the night before. And as far as cleaning my house, I went through my house and I organized the Tupperware, the dishes, threw dishes away and things that we didn't need. And I did that with the clothes and things as well. So a lot of things that we had around this house, I don't care what category it is, I got rid of it. And I'm telling you guys, it made a big difference. Babe, I'm putting your water in your book bag. You don't have enough room in your lunch bag. Okay?
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in.